go back through this gate here into the Medina, and we'll head over towards the Kasbah. I'm sure we'll find a coffee shop on the way where we can charge up the phone. So this one's called Bab Al Fahs. I haven't arranged a hotel yet either today, so but I don't think that will be much of a problem. So in the Medina, you are going to get people who beg you and stuff like that, especially if you look like you're from outside. Yeah. It looks fairly modern, so I don't know if this is quite new. There's another gate over here to my right, which is an entry point.
ودابا هادو كيقولوا ما بين هاد الوقت وهادو ما تبقاش واقف هنا مره.
There's a bit of a steep inclined walk. There is a hill. Don't know how well this shows on the camera or how high up you can see, but there are some cannons up above these walls, and this is the entrance here. I'm not actually sure what's inside, but outside is people's houses and stuff like that, as you can see. Let's have a look. So the door is called Bab Al Kasbah, door of the Kasbah. Looks like there's a gallery here. Let's see what else there is. A Japanese restaurant. Interesting. So you can rent some of these spaces for shops and maybe even to stay as well. A lot of these units seem closed. We can get a feel for what the Kasbah is like. Obviously all these are new, the ones that I'm white, but the ones here on the left might be from the original walls. So you get a mix and a blend of old and new. So there's a hotel here up on the right. You can generally tell with the flags which are hanging above. So this alleyway leads out and you can see the sea from here, which is very nice. So I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but in the distance you have the sea down there, which is currently the port. And that is the entry to the Mediterranean Sea. On the right there's a sign that says Riyadh Sultan, so they have that names, and I think that's the door for an exit out of the Kasbah area. So I don't believe that there's an actual castle here, but just like the walls that surrounded where the castle probably used to be. So there's a restaurant directly above. Well, there's a few restaurants around here. No, shukran. So this is the museum, but it's closed. وعليكم السلام. ها؟ ما فهمتش.
واش كتفتش على المتحف القصبة؟
I don't understand, sorry. English. English.
If you look for the museum of the Kasbah.
I'm just looking around.
If you like to see the Kasbah is open today.
Okay.
But the museum is closed in 5 o'clock.
Okay.
This is Tennessee William House. It names Dar Zero. This is number 1. It's very old. Dar Watmi House. Zero is the name. This is the old Justice Palace. The gate is from Roma, but it's a Jewish shop. This is the treasury, the old bank. Here the old Justice Palace. Look, museum, the Sultan Palace of the King Moulay Ismail before. This is the Sultan Palace. Left side you can see the old Kasbah, Quranic school, first mosque of the Kasbah, Jewish area, artistic area, synagogue.
It's open from here?
It's open, come on, let's see. Don't worry, man, from Kasbah, live here. Where are you from?
From Pakistan.
You face like Moroccan, sir. This is the famous club music, Arab Andalus, Detroit. The people come and drink mint tea, listen to music. It's very traditional in Tanger. This is the museum to the Kasbah, the Sultan Palace of the Kings. Cost $2 for to visit the garden.
But it's closed.
You have the story of the Portuguese, Roman, Berber. Atlas. This is Arabic, second Berber, it's like Greek, this is French, three language very obligation. Here to the way to the Kasbah. This is Macondo. Macondo is Italian restaurant.
Yeah.
Yes. You face like little bit India. India is namaste, yes? Namaste like salam, yeah?
Yeah.
Very welcome, sir. You
Shukran.
come just today?
No. I'd travel around Morocco.
Good. You come from where? Chefchaouen, Casablanca, Marrakech?
From Al Husima to Tetouan.
Al Husima, beautiful.
Yeah.
This is the first mosque of the Kasbah, decoration Arabic Andalus. All this CIC in Nimlou. I job in handmade. Here where is the people make shower for the bride. We have one part for women, we have one part for men. This is the mosque, then to the Quranic school, Fatima Fedia. We have the big one like this in Fez.
Yeah, the madrasa.
Exactly.
Yeah, I've been there.
I don't talk Spanish, hablas español o no? No te gusta?
No.
Very welcome, sir. This is the original wall. This is the mirror, like the old tower of the mosque. You have 5 is different. Here where is the imam make the prayer. For new part, old part.
Yeah, I'm Muslim, so I understand.
مرحبا أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
لا إله إلا الله رسول الله.
This is the original word of the Kasbah. Kasbah liver Portuguese, Phoenician, Arabic, Roman, and Jewish. Before in 1670, this is the Quranic school. All this is the Kasbah. Kasbah, what's mean the castle? The fort is the old places in Tanger. The Medina is the residence.
شكرا أخي.
No problem, brother.
Okay.
No problem.
Yeah.
If you want to show you more, no problem.
No problem. No problem.
Why you give me that?
Nah, just for your time, innit?
No problem. Want to show you more?
It's okay. Wait, so the museum's closed.
Yes, if you want to see the Medina, you can come back from downstairs. But here can go in the Kasbah, in the heart of the Kasbah. Where is you have the synagogue, the Morocco club, first door of Kasbah, square of Camel.
Yeah.
Here you can see the souk, the Medina. You can see the
I'll go this
port,
way.
the souk, the shopping, Medina, fruit market, fish market, everything. If you like.
Hopefully you're getting a good taste of what the old Medina area is like. ايوه الحمد لله. Look at this for a place. This is amazing. So it's got the ancient feel with all the ancient walls here. There's a hotel up there, Hotel Central, a Hotel Continental. There's a mosque there down by the port. Large open area here. This is breathtaking. I know the camera's not going to be able to capture it properly or do it justice, but this is beautiful. Hey guys, so I've just booked my hotel and basically I wanted to keep it on a budget. I'm only here for one night and all I'm going to do is sleep here and then leave in the morning. So the hotel I'm staying at is down some side streets within the Medina called Hotel Amal, and I paid just 180 dirhams, which is great. It's less than £15 I believe. I don't think I'm going to get much cheaper than that. All the hotels that I've come across so far, they're all above flights of stairs, so you do have to kind of walk upstairs before you get to the rooms, because a lot of the space below the hotels have been vacated by restaurants, coffee shops and stuff like that. So I'll show you the room now. So the room has just got 2 single beds, very basic. There's no air conditioning or nothing like that. So a few of the hotels I did check out, they haven't got air conditioning. This one does have its own bathroom, but some of the hotels don't even have their own bathroom. They shared bathrooms or showers and toilets and stuff like that. Some had their own showers but shared toilets. I didn't want to be living that kind of life, so I did want to have my own kind of space when it comes to toilets and facilities. You know, it's just good to have that kind of privacy. It's coming close to prayer time now, so what I'll be doing is I'll be freshening up, offering the prayers, and then maybe getting something to eat. شكرا. شكرا. So I just had to buy this charger, and all the chargers that this dude had were 70 or 80 dirhams. I can't tell in this country what's good quality and what's not, because obviously I've never really bought a charger before. But let's see, this apparently is a quick charger. Let's see, paid 70 dirhams for this with a wire. So I was hoping to go into the mosque a bit earlier and charge the phone, but obviously that's not possible. It looks like they're just going to open at prayer time, which is in around about 15 minutes. Might walk down to another mosque and hopefully get it done down there. So yeah, let's head down to another mosque. Which city are you from?
I'm from Senegal. You from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. I'm from America. شكرا بزاف خويا. شكرا. الله يرحم الوالدين.
وشرفك.
شرفين باكستان.
Went down to the mosque to pray, left the camera at home as well, well, in the hotel. And the masjid at the bottom of the Medina is beautiful. It's really large, and it has an open courtyard area where you can make your ablution as well. It's kind of open air, and yeah, it's a nice place anyway. So now we're just gonna go get some food, and then yeah, we'll be checking out to the city for food. And there's like literally so much variety, so I'm just gonna be taking a chance on somewhere and just grab something basically. The place I decided to eat was a place called Sandwich City, and most of these places are pretty much similar or pretty much the same, have the same kind of menu options. Tacos is kind of like a wrap, and that's like one of the most popular things that people have when they have fast food. So that's what I got. Ended up paying 32 dirhams or 38 dirhams I think for a meal with fries and a drink, and yeah, it definitely does fill the spot. The last thing I did was I grabbed a cake from a shop called Shaddad. It's at the top of the Medina, and they have some amazing looking cakes. I'm going to enjoy that with a cup of tea, and that will be the last thing I do. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Take care. Peace.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.